Hello guys, this is how to log in. Before I start this video, be sure to subscribe to this channel and do not forget to click on bell icon. Welcome to our video tutorial on how to log into your Cengage account if you're a new user. If you've recently signed up for Cengage, congratulations on taking the first step towards a more effective and personalized learning experience. In order to access all of the great features and resources available on Cengage, you'll need to log into your account. However, if you're a new user, the login process may seem a bit daunting at first. That's why we've created this video tutorial to guide you through the process step by step. So, first of all, go to your web browser and type sam.cengage.com in the search bar and hit enter. Now in this page you will see place to enter your username and password. But as you are a new user, you need to click on New User button. After clicking on it, you will see this page where you need to enter your institution key and click on Submit. So, this is how you log into Cengage account if you are a new user. I hope you guys liked this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you guys for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.